Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is fine and safe. So today's video is about the Qatar National Day celebration which was held on the 18th of December. So let's get started. The previous day of the National Day, the celebration started with a spectacular fireworks in the famous 5-star hotel, that is the Torch Doha. This firework was the key part of the Qatar's winter season activities and also the lead up to the Qatar National Day celebrations. It was a dazzling show that lit up the skies of Qatar, and we, the spectators, really enjoyed this spectacular fireworks. We had parked our car where we could clearly see the fireworks. So now let's have a look on the fireworks which was held on the previous day of the National Day. Now it's winter time in Qatar, so had to pack kids with winter clothes. It was a windy day, so had to take care of kids because normally kids fall sick during winter. Anyway, had a great time watching the firework at our comfort zone. We had got a good place to park our car. Also, we could sit and watch the fire show. So the main thing I would always go for is comfort. So with kids, it's really difficult to handle. The next day, we started our day at around 9:30 with a freshly prepared peanut butter sandwich, and we started our journey towards Katara. On the National Day, there will be a beautiful parade held in the Corniche. The parade starts early in the morning, so we had not joined the parade. We reached Katara. So Katara is the cultural village in Doha. It is located in the eastern coast of Qatar. The buildings and facilities of Katara were deliberately arranged in order to reflect the country's culture and architectural heritage. They host a lot of events. Currently, Dough Festival was going on. The famous Pigeon Tower of Qatar is located here. This can house up to 14,000 pigeons. One of our friends had joined us, so we were waiting for the golf cart service. The good part of this is the service is for free. Since the area is large, it is very much needed to have this service. After waiting for some time, we got one and we all sat into it. I would say this type of service is much needed when you have lot to see. So when kids are small, it's very difficult to walk along. So this helped us a lot. On the way, there were few buildings which were designed in the shape of books. We got to know that those were the libraries there. So now we are about to reach the other end of Katara. So this is a seashore. So as we reached there, there was a photographic team of Katara. They wanted to click some pictures and videos of Netanya. On the day of National Day, the kids here wear different kinds of traditional dresses, or maybe police dress or army dress or the flag colored dress. So Netanya was wearing a flag colored dress with a cute headband.
Hip hooray!
Netanya was very happy with Arpi Auntie's company. We have almost reached the seashores. So this is the seashore, which is the other end of the Katara. As it was Dough Festival, a lot of traditional stalls were there. Some of these stalls had handmade stuffs. Some of these stalls had food, traditional food items, and many more things. We all walked around to see what is there in the stalls, and finally we spotted our Indian national flag. So we all went to that stall and took few pictures in front of the Indian national flag. This stall had the ships of olden days. It was really beautiful to see those. So after this, we left Katara and we were on the way back to Doha. This is the place where there was parade in the morning. So right now it's afternoon here and people are still there. A lot of people just roaming around. This building which you can see is the Parliament of Qatar. These were the seating arrangements which was done for the parade. But getting seat and watching the parade is one of the biggest deal, because getting seat is really difficult. You have to come early in the morning to get the seat here. Look at this, how beautifully they have arranged the flowers. This is to resemble the Qatar national flag. After this, we were back to home, and in the night there was a beautiful fireworks again. Those were really giant fireworks, really very beautiful. That's all with this video. See you all soon with my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.